It's always tough when a parent gets sick, and that's going to be the subject of today's edition of The Law and You. Joining us as always are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Sirimboli. Gentlemen, nice to see you today.
Thanks for having us, Dave. See you.
All right, here's our question. This again involving a dad who is suffering a little bit. My father has been diagnosed with dementia. He cannot make decisions for himself. What do I need to do to take care of him? That's what Mark in Hazleton asks.
Well, Mark, there's a couple of things that you can do, and this is a very unfortunate situation, but if your dad can't make decisions for himself, then you're going to need to start the process of having a guardian appointed, and hopefully that guardian can be you. There's a process, a procedure that you need to go through the court system. We've actually handled these for our clients in the past, and I'll let Greg talk a little bit more about the fine points of it. But what I would say is that make sure you get the doctor, whoever is your dad's doctor, on board immediately on this situation.
Yeah, and the best thing for you to do is to contact an attorney who deals with this type of issue. Generally, a family, any general practice lawyer can handle it. It's not that complicated, but you're going to have to petition the court. You're going to have to go before a judge and explain to them what's happening. You may need some medical evidence to support that petition, and then be appointed a guardian. But it's something that, if there's urgent needs that need to be done, you can do it in an emergency situation, or you can do it, take your time and do it a little slower. But whatever your situation is, you're going to need an attorney. You're going to need to go to court.
All right, some good advice for a tough situation, and for our viewers that may need your help, how can they reach you guys?
They could call the phone at 570-714-HURT, or they could see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page and like us on our Facebook page. And if you have a question for The Law and You, post it there, and we'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Results Matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Sirimboli. Gentlemen, thanks so much.
Thanks, Dave.
All right, you could get your question answered on The Law and You by visiting